Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title on today's video, it says a lot. We are reviewing the Maybelline X Puma collection. If you guys saw that video where I did makeup that I'm eyeing and buying, this was definitely on my list. As soon as it was released on the Ulta website, I jumped on it, added as many things as I possibly could to my cart, and checked out. I actually just received this collection yesterday in the mail, which is why I'm filming it today, which is Friday. And here we are testing these products out. Now, obviously, as you can see by the title and the video, these products actually did not work for me, but I want you guys to watch the video first and really just make a choice for yourself to see if this is a line that you personally would wear or something that you're totally just gonna skip out on. With that said, we're going to jump straight into the video, and don't forget that today I will be announcing the winner for my last BOXYCHARM giveaway. If you guys just want to check the description, I will have the name of the person that won. If you see this video, go ahead and contact me. I will have my email listed down below. Contact me ASAP so I don't have to choose someone else. With that said, let's go ahead and start the review on the Maybelline X Puma collection. So I'm going to give you some quick details on this. The Gloss Duo Face Stick is a multi-purpose blush and highlighter face stick that gives a natural pop of color with a glossy finish. The lightweight and waterproof formula glides onto the skin for a rosy glow that lasts through your morning sweat session or night on the town. Achieve a perfect rosy glow. So it's supposed to accentuate your cheekbones, achieve a flattering flushed effect with a toppy glossy finish, rosy cheeks, and a lightweight formula. Now this one is $10.99, which is kind of expensive for like a little stick like this. Let's go into, oh, I am so nervous to use this. As you can see on this side, it's like a rosy red blush. Now I don't think I'm going to apply this directly. Oh, I can tell you I'm not gonna like this. I feel like this gloss duo is meant for people that are going to work out. I know that this collection is more for like working out people that do sports or whatever it is, and if you don't want to look dull, this is what it is for. But I don't know, I still wanted to try it, so I'm going to take a little bit of the blush and see how it applies. So I can definitely see the blush. You guys can see that, like you guys can see a difference. There's no blush here, blush here. It is a really pretty color, but I don't know that I would use this even if I wasn't wearing makeup. Like when I don't wear makeup at all, like I just don't wear makeup, you know. Let me pop on the highlight now. The highlight is more of a white shade, and this is the only color that they had, so I'm just going to pop that right at the top. I really wanted to get my hands on the entire collection to review it for you guys, but Maybelline only released these products online at Ulta, and then I think Ulta will have their little shadow sticks in stores in March, which we are so close to March. If you guys are Pisces, what is up, my Pisces? And my birthday is coming up. I am not ready to turn 29, you guys. Can you guys believe I'm turning 29? I feel so old. The only thing that I have to say is that, again, I just don't think this is a product that goes well with makeup, because if you guys can see this, like my foundation is all over the stick. That means that I have to clean it every time that I use it, because I don't want any like germ buildup or anything. Now, obviously, you can leave it like this, but because I don't like it, I am going to go over it with the Chrome Highlights Reflect Chrome. And this one is in the shade Knockout. They only did release one shade. I have a feeling that this is going to be really pretty. I don't know if the camera can pick up on it. Oh, yeah. So if I tilt it straight, it looks gold, but it is reflective. So it's almost the same tone as the packaging, if you guys can tell. Really pretty. I personally am not a big fan of like pink highlighters. Oh yeah, that looks pretty pink. And when I saw it in the pictures, that's what made me excited, was the highlighter, because I thought it was going to be more of a golden highlight versus a golden pink, but we'll see. just gonna pop that on. It's not as visible on its own, which I am pretty surprised and taken back because I have some Maybelline highlighters, like that Molten Gold highlighter. That one is super, super intense, but this one, it's just not giving me that like pop highlighter effect that I look for. I don't know why there's such little amount. I mean, you can see the highlight right here, but again, it's not as intense on its own. On this side, it looks very intense, but again, keep in mind that I applied this on the bottom and then I went over it with this. So I am not loving this, and I really, really was hoping that this was going to be like the one. Now, the last thing that I have for the eyes, and then we can move on to the lips. This is the Very Black Mascara. I personally don't care much for mascaras just because I have super small lashes and I always wear falsies anyway. So it's not a big deal to me, but we're going to try it anyways. And that is what the wand looks like. Now, I personally do like wands like these. I don't like those plastic ones. They really don't do much for my lashes, but we're going to give it a go and see what we get. That did nothing to my lashes. Great. Yeah, that literally just coated them with, like, they're just coated in mascara, but there's no length, there's no curl, there's nothing to them, which I don't know if that's the purpose of this mascara, but I guess it's smudge proof, so if you're running and sweating a lot, it won't smudge on you. I only picked up 2 shades because I have tried the Maybelline liquid lipsticks before, like the regular ones, and I personally, I am not a fan of their liquid lipsticks. They do stay. They're very long wearing, but they have such a sticky finish to them that I do not like. So I picked up the shades that I felt like I would actually wear. This one is called Fierce, and this one is Unapologetic. So Fierce and Unapologetic. This one is such a gorgeous like terracotta orange, and obviously this is a deep plum. She is back. I had to go fix my hair because it was looking a little crazy. Let's jump straight into the liquid lipsticks. I think I'm going to go in with the lightest shade first because I don't know if these are going to stain my lips. Again, this one is called Unapologetic. I'm going to pull up the Ulta website again to take a look at the liquid lipsticks. Now they have only 5 different shades. The most neutral shade would be the one that I'm applying right now, which is Unapologetic. All the other ones are mauve purple undertones. Now, if I am correct, and I could be totally wrong, but I feel like these are super tiny compared to the regular liquid lipsticks. Let me actually grab one. Oh yeah, these are definitely smaller. Look at the difference between the Puma one and then the regular one. This one is a lot bigger. Now, I do have to say that I feel like this formula is a lot more comfortable than the regular lipsticks, but this lipstick is not one that you want to press your lips together, because if you guys notice, right here, it faded away. Look at that. What the heck? Now my hopes are really high for this shade. Let's see if it applies the same, and let's see if it does that weird like peeling off thing. Okay, so I've already applied this lipstick like 4 times. For some reason, every time I go over it, it keeps smearing and it's not staying on my lips. Okay, that is as good as it's gonna get. I literally have applied it so many times and it's not even drying now. And as you guys can see, like, it's uneven. I applied it horribly, but no, honey. Why? I'm gonna take this off. I am so bummed out. I hate giving brands or any product a negative review, just because I always like to try the products and test them out for myself. But honestly, there's nothing about this launch that I have right here that makes me excited about it anymore, that makes me want to try it, that makes me want to retest it. The only thing that I would say is pretty okay is the highlight. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that me personally, because I have experienced other Maybelline highlighters and they're super intense and the pigment's just not there for this. I think that, I don't know, this campaign, it wasn't there, and I hate to say that. I was really excited about every single product in here, but now, like, I don't even want to try the shadow sticks that come along with that. I am so over it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know your thoughts as always in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Have an amazing weekend, and I will catch you in my next video. Mwah!